Hey, Mike McGroarty here from mikesbackyardnursery.com. Today we're going to shoot a little follow-up to a video that we did early this spring. So today is June 28th, and somewhere around early April, either late March or early April, I don't remember, but I'm going to put this on the video, on a page with that same video. So there will eventually be a link down at the bottom. There probably won't be a link there the day I upload it, but a couple days later I'll get that done so you can follow up to the page. But anyway, this is a flat of Dappled Willow cuttings that we stuck early this spring. Really? Full plant. They must be good. All right, so basically this is one that did not root. Get out of here, Finnegan. This is one that did not root, but that's pretty much the cutting that we stuck. Now, with hardwood cuttings, you're not going to get a 100% success rate, but that's pretty much what we stuck. So now the rest of these are rooted to the point that we're getting ready. Coming in here probably wasn't the ideal setup. I'm going to recapture my plants. All right. So anyway, man, you guys love it when I shoot videos with the donkeys, but they must like these because this is so anyway, these are rooted. In less than 3 months' time, they're rooted. So now it's time to get them out of the flat and pot them up. So basically, you can see these are the ones that Finnegan or Fergus pulled out. Leave my plants alone, will you? Hey, Lily, go grab some crackers and feed these donkeys, will you? Hey, stop. Fergus, that's a nice plant you got. Lily's bringing you some crackers so you can quit tormenting me. You get out of here. So anyway, this is basically what we've got. And as soon as I get these donkeys out of my situation here, will you behave? You need to behave. So, all right, you can see that now this is very interesting. So we're going to try and get in here a little bit closer. Fergus, I know what you're going to do, but you can tell, hey, leave my plants alone. There's a node at the bottom of this cutting. Come over behind Aiden. There's a node at the bottom of this cutting, and then there's a node here. So you can see, let me get rid of these. Node here and a node here. So you can see that that's where they rooted. They rooted at those nodes. Same thing here. Let me get that one down. So there's a node here, a node here, and then you got a couple along the way. But anyway, these are pretty well rooted. She's got crackers for you, you crazy mule. So people ask me all the time, how do you get, once they're rooted, how do you get them out? So basically what I do is I just kind of turn the flat upside down. That board wasn't supposed to come off, but they do. Now that I've got the whole shebang out like that, I can just take them and tease them apart. There's a clump of grass in there, but that'll shake out. Now, I've had people here all spring asking me for these. I only had about 25 plants this spring. They sold quickly. So I got people that are going to come back probably in a month. I told them these would be ready. So we're going to get these ready today. We're going to pot them up. But basically, so I shake them out, kind of line up the roots like that. And now I'm going to clip the tops because I want these things to fill out. Wow. Those pruners are terrible. Here, you can have that part. Eat that. Of course not. So anyway, that's what we're going to pot up. Not, of course, we'll pot them individually, but that's what they're going to look like. Finnegan, get out of here. So anyway, in less than 3 months' time, I've created a 3-ring circus with these 2 donkeys and some Dappled Willow cuttings that rooted really well from hardwood cuttings. Here's a piece of grass. Eat that. What do you think of that? Here's some weeds for you. Right here, buddy. Right here. Eat that. I'll shake the dirt off. So anyway, I hope this video was that much helpful, but I just wanted to kind of show you. So we're going to follow up. I'll put all this on the same page from where the earlier video, and then I'm going to put a link below the video so you can see what we started with and kind of what we ended up with. and then I'll probably snap a couple of still pictures. I'm going to put my plants in there, and we're going to get out of this circus. So, all right, Mike McGrory, Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Click on the link at the bottom so we can straighten out this organized story.